Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video, we saw the Unit 1 that is a PCS and GSM architecture. In this video, we are going to learn GPRS and mobile data communication. This is a Unit 2. What are the outcomes of this video? Learner will be able to understand what is GPRS, GPRS architecture, GPRS service, GPRS application, GPRS limitations, and last one, GPRS quality of service. Let's see the first, what is a GPRS? The GPRS means Journal Packet Radio Service. Is a base data network. GPRS also known as GPRS third generation. GPRS architecture work on the same procedure like a GSM network, but has additional entities that allow packet data transmission. GPRS can be used for the retrieval of the emails, fax, and web browsing. It is advanced to the GSM. The next, GPRS architecture. The GPRS architecture is a general package radio system. Is a work on the same procedure like a GSM network, along with the packet data transport to the GSM network. The multiple user to share the same air interface resource. Let's see the GPRS architecture. GPRS architecture consists of the four parts: GPRS mobile station, GPRS based subsystem, GPRS support node, and internal backbone. GPRS architecture can be divided in a four part. The first part is a mobile station. Is a GPRS mobile station. New mobile station, that is the MS, are required to use GPRS service because existing GSM phone do not handle the enable enhanced air interface package of the data. This mobile station is a backward compatible for the making voice call using GSM. The next is a GPRS base station subsystem. In GPRS based subsystem, this is each BSC is required installation of one and more packet control unit and software upgrade. That is a PUC provide a physical and logical data interface to the base station, that is a BSS. The BTS can also, this is a BTS tower. BTS can also require the software upgrade but typical does not require hardware enhancement. When either voice or data traffic is organized at a subscriber mobile, it is a transport over the air. Voice is a sent to the mobile switching center, that is the MSC. First, GSM and data sent to the new device called the SGSN via PUC over the relay interface. The next, GPRS support node. GPRS support node, we have the two nodes, GGSN and SGSN. The first is a gateway GPRS support node, that is a GGSN. The GSN, this one, is a network node which support the use of the GPRS in the GSM core network. All the GSN should have the GN interface and support the GPRS tunneling protocol. The next, GGSN. The GGSN means the Gateway GPRS Support Node is act as an interface and route to external network. Is contain routing information, that is GGSN. The next one is let's see next SGSN, serving GPRS support node. It is used for the authentication of GPRS mobile, registration of mobile in the network, and mobility management. These are the basic block diagram and architecture of the GPRS. The last one is the internal backbone. It is used to transfer the information in a network. The modification in a GPRS. GSM network, these are the element. There is a mobile station, that is MS. In modification in a GPRS is a new mobile station is required to access the GPRS service. This new terminal will be backward compatible with the GSM for the voice call, and PTS is a BTS in advance and modification in a GPRS like a software upgrade is required in the existing base trans receiver station. BSC BSC is a base station controller is required as a software is upgrade to install a new hardware called as a packet control unit, PCU. Next, GPRS support node, that is a GSN. It is used to GPRS is required to installation of the new core network like called as a GP, GSN and GGSN. Next is a database, that is a HLR, VLR. All the database involved in the network will require software upgrade as handle the new call model and function introduced as a GPRS. The next, GPRS provide a set of GSM services. Different services provide the wide range of the corporate can be used to GPRS service. GPRS include all the normal GSM services, but it more efficient way. GPRS data service, GPRS beer service, and data service like in this mode, the user will be using a GPRS is a mobile phone to access the application running on the phone itself. It also support like email, web browsing, enhanced short message, wireless image, and video service. The next is a GPRS beer service. GPRS is a wireless extension of data network. It can access to data network such as a IP based network like a GPRS upgrade GSM data service like a point to point PTP, that is a point to point is interworking with the internet. Next is a point to multi point PTM service. Point to multi point is a multicast and point to multi point group call. Next, SMS service is a beer for the SMS. These are the services, different services of the GPRS. The next, GPRS application. In this, we will learn the GPRS application. The application, there are the three types of the application: mobility, immediacy, and localization. The first is a mobility, the ability to maintain constant voice and data communication while on the move. Next is a immediacy, allow to subscribe to obtain connectivity when needed, regardless a location and without lengthy login session. And the last one is a localization, allow the subscriber to obtain the information is relevant to their current location. These are the application of the GPRS. Next, limitation of the GPRS. The limit cell capacity for all the user. GPRS does impact on a network, exiting network cell as a capacity. There are only limited radio resource that can be developed for the different user. speed much lower in a reality. These are the limitation of the GPRS. The next, GPRS quality of services. The first, GPRS quality of service is required to conventional mobile packet and data application are in ASSOT form. The quality of services on GPRS, there are the different support is required for the ASSOT GPRS application like real-time multimedia, web browsing and email and transport. The service precedence, the preference is given to service when compared to another service is known as the service precedence. This level is a priority is classified into the three level called the high, normal and low reliability. This parameter is a signify the transmission characteristics is required by the application. The, reliability classes are defined which guarantee certain maximum value for the portability. Delay. The delay is defined by the end-to-end transfer time between the two communicating mobile station or between mobile station. This include all delay with GPRS network. Transfer delay is outside of the GPRS network. Throughput. The throughput is specify the maximum peak bit rate and the mean bit rate. Using this quality of services is a profile that between the mobile user and the network. The billing of this service is a based on transmitted data volume, the types of service and the choose the quality of the service. These are the GPRS quality of the service. Service precision, reliability, delay and throughput. Thank you dear students. This is a Unit 2 Part 1. Next video we will learn the remaining part of Unit 2. And student, you have any doubt, any problem regarding this video, note down your queries. We will solve your doubts and queries in upcoming online session. Thank you.